This pork makes $200 steaks taste ordinary, and when you fire roast it, it brings it to the next level. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're grilling an Iberico Presa steak with a 3 mustard sauce. The first thing that we want to do is prepare the Iberico Presa. We want to trim off some silver skin and some excess fat. And look at the insane marbling. We want to season it lightly with a barbecue rub. We're using our Big Swede Barbecue Badass Beef Boost. And then we want to set it aside. Next, we want to do my 3 mustard sauce, or what I call it, the 3 mustardeers. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter to a medium hot pan. Then we're going to add 2 finely diced small shallots and 1 clove of minced garlic. Now we want to saute this for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add a bunch of crunched peppercorn. Then we're going to add about a cup of white wine. We want to reduce this until half. Then we're going to add our 3 mustards, 1 tablespoon of an old German mustard, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and last but not least, 1 tablespoon of Savora condiments. We also want to add tarragon because it goes really well with mustard. We want to cook this for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add a cup of concentrated beef stock. Now we want to let this simmer on low for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to add some heavy cream, and then you want to taste it so it balances the acidity in the sauce. We're going to add a little bit more. We want to pass this through a sieve, and then we're going to check the thickness. If you want it thicker, cook it a little bit more. We're going to place the presa on the grill. Now we're going to slowly fire roast this over oak wood. When you have a nice char, we're going to flip it over, and now we want to grill the other side. And this presa steak looks absolutely amazing. We're going to keep flipping it until we reach an inner temperature in the thickest part of about 128 degrees. Then we want to remove it from the grill. When rested, and this is important, we're going to slice it into thin slices against the grain. I have to try this. Let's dip it. This tastes absolutely amazing. And then this simple dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Iberico Presa steak with a 3 mustard sauce with Iberico pork from Campo Grande. And the only thing left is to try this and see what it tastes like. Let's do a little dip. And then here we go. Wow. These flavors are amazing. I really hope you try this at home. Oh, wow. Happy grilling.